last week, this trend has reversed itself. For the past 6 months, our economy has been growing. We will fight alongside them until the awful damage that has been done is reversed, people are back on their feet, and the great natural bounty of the Gulf Coast is restored. Thank you. When I announced that I was in favor of this fiscal commission, at the time I had a number of Republicans who were co-sponsors of the legislation who suddenly reversed themselves because I suppose I supported it.
That's why we've reversed harmful decisions that were designed to undermine those rights.
Progress can be reversed.
In the particular instance of Libya, it also would have stopped the tide of democratic change in the region and reversed it.
Americans have bled with you for this progress, and we will not allow it. We will never allow it to be reversed.
That's why we reversed the ban on project labor agreements, because we believe in those things as part of a strategy to rebuild America.
They should remind us that so long as we work for it, justice will be done, that history is on our side, and that a rising tide of liberty will never be reversed. But I stand here with confidence that something is happening in this country that cannot be reversed. And the will of the people can lift up this nation and set a great example for the world.
We reversed our addiction to foreign oil.
We know that progress can always be reversed, and that positive change is achieved not through passion alone, but through patient and persistent.
And progress there could be reversed, but if Burma succeeds, we will have gained a new partner without having fired a shot.
So we reversed that law, allowing people to sue based on when you find out. It would be reversed. We have a new inclusive government. In some patients with cystic fibrosis, this approach has reversed a disease once thought unstoppable. In some patients with cystic fibrosis, this approach has reversed a disease once thought unstoppable.